Welcome everyone to my new presentation of SATS price prediction and technicals for the last days of 2023, guys. A crypto which is part of the BRC20 movement, a major movement which is probably going to sort of dominate the space for the upcoming months. We are supposed to consider that all sorts of new cryptocurrency projects from that sector are going to perform very, very well, guys. Just like the SATS and many other will actually make a step forward and dominate the space amongst the biggest gainers. Meanwhile, the space is also having some downtrending momentum for some cryptos out there. Take a look at that. I mean, the biggest losers are certain cryptos that are very popular. At the end of the day, it's not just about the meme coins. And SATS right here is obviously having its great momentum. Again, we would like to talk about it, and make sure to check out basically my YouTube channel to find out more, all sorts of price prediction videos, as well daily presentations, including me trading. You will be able to see my trades as well, the way I performed on YouTube Shorts. You can definitely discover quite a lot about it, including the ability for you to join my trades if you want so, based on no prior fee, only commission from the pure profits accumulated. So it's based on performance. Commission is paid by you every 7 days, and we are trading through API trading permission. So you give us trading permission and we do it. Quite simple and straightforward. At the same time, we have the one-on-one coaching program for anyone out there looking to become financial freedom through cryptocurrencies and look forward basically to become a crypto trader, where we talk about part-time or full-time. Get yourself ready for the upcoming bull market and get the weapons. Now, what's happening on SATS? Well, it's not easy to speak about a cryptocurrency which is quite recent out there on the markets, yet it has delivered insane numbers and values so far. I mean, if I put out some charts here, we have 26 days with 655% from the lows. 655% on the spot on 26 days, less than a month. Well, if you put it out on a 5x leverage, that's sort of 30x, right? That's what it is. It is 30x. If you made 600% without leverage, then on 5x leverage, this is 30x. A 30x situation from $10,000, 30x is $300,000 in 26 days, guys, from the lowest towards the highest. Obviously, you don't need a 655. You can still have a 600% mark. So that's 300 grand from $10,000 in less than a month. I'm not sure if there is many other businesses or opportunities delivering like that. And this is not a crypto that is a meme coin having 200 bucks volume out there with an empty market and a non-existent space. It's clearly a cryptocurrency, which if I measure the volume, if I consider sharing that, let me just get this page loaded up. Pretty slow. A lot of the people on CoinMarketCap these days, and they have not updated their servers to perform at the level of requirements. Take a look at that, how slow it is. This is wild. Yeah. I have to open up once again. $322 million volume, right? So it's ranked number 32 on the volume side. Pretty much insane, folks. Now, the supply level at the top, the demand level, that is basically where we are needing to deal with right now. If we don't close today's candle above the supply level, or at least on the supply level, is definitely not a good sign for this crypto. But at the same time, the danger appears when you lose your sort of demand area, which sits around 6,000. So you're quite far away from that, and the markets are not really planning right now to take a dump of about 30%. I mean, from the top, that would be 38% retracement, which is not something easy to be performing, to be honest with you. The markets do enjoy retrace, but they most likely are not 40% just like that out of the blue. So that's a strong bearish movement that do not indicate you are in a bull market or so. That indicates exactly the opposite. It's a reaction of a language of the bears. Now, here the 20 days moving average are slowly catching up, getting into the liquidity area. Probably where we are going to spend most of the time, here in between the two major rectangles, at the top supply, at the low demand zones, which means that if you don't close basically above supply or within supply today, you might have a danger getting stuck here for the upcoming weeks. If you successfully close above, then you can easily continue the rally. And that means just greatness. Continuing the rally in this instance means basically to target these two levels that I've been also speaking about in my other video, as well much higher than that, which is an ultimate push to the 14,000 that sits the 1.618 extension, right? So the two 1.272 to 1.414 zigzag areas are needed to be built on liquidity. You get into that, but you survive at that level. You poke down, trap some people into, and then as well you trap some longs over there, right? Obviously you got to trap the longs, liquidate them, take their stop losses, take their money, trap the shorts. It's a game that has to be built like a playground over there in that specific zone between the two extensions. And then you poke down for the last time, and then basically you can take the liquidity from the 1.618 as well, which is something you must do, especially it appears to be on a round number of 14,000. So this is what's happening, what we're expecting in the upcoming weeks for SATS. Very important right now to get today's closing within or above the supply level we're needing to deal with. Yesterday's closing was very powerful and great. We did start the day amazing, but it seems to be facing some selling pressure. I mean, from the starting of the day till right now, there is a 13.8% decrease in the price action. Just imagine for people dealing on leverage, 5x leverage on that, this is wild, because that's about 65% of the margin, and you are pretty much liquidated. There is no room for such numbers, guys, on this cryptocurrencies. The leverage side is something that can really multiply the amount of money you're making, but is extremely dangerous if you don't know how to trade it. It is a guarantee that you're going to end up losing everything. For those of you that have been around in the past bull markets and have not made it through, and they tried it out with leverage, it's big trouble, folks. Once again, you can consider the coaching program, the education program, which is dedicated one-on-one directly with me live, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade intensively by running a homework side, exercises, live trading. We learn how to understand the language of the market. We understand strategies, concepts that are functioning, been trading since 2014. A lot more can be discovered on this page as well on a quick video here, including the ability to schedule with me a conversation for free where I can explain you more. As well, if you care about, if you think this is something for you, you can participate in my trades. No prior fee, only commission from the profits made. That's pretty much all for today, guys. Have a good time. Enjoy. We talk to you soon.